Are you all ready to learn about how to assemble real world problems? That is lesson 2 for you. In the previous lesson, we had a lot of understanding about micro and macro analysis. Now, here, this lesson will help you to unlock the key for problem identification. You learn why spotting problems is the first step to creating groundbreaking ideas and how to do it effectively. We will explore techniques to sharpen your observation skills and uncover challenges hiding in plain sight in everyday life. And here's the exciting part. You will select a problem to solve within your chosen industry or domain. This is where innovation begins. Get ready to ignite your creativity and start shaping solutions that matter.